Yeah, there he is, Gary. Right there. See him? See it spin? Right off your rod tip. He's right there. See him? See him? Yeah, good. Leave it. He's turning. Yeah, that's right in front of him. Oh, he went for it. He's fighting well. Oh, yeah. Awesome. Nice cast, eh? Beautiful.
I think this was the first one that's seen the line.
Yeah. He's diving it. Yeah. $5.25. Right there. Yeah, that's good. Yep. You need further. Yep. Yep. Yeah, that's good. Get it ahead, yeah. Yeah, that's good. Turn around. He's still there. Almost. Cast again. Yeah! That was hilarious! I know!
That's bizarre.
That's hilarious.
That's a bizarre one.
He was just sitting there and sitting there and sitting there. It was gold.
Just shows you didn't see it, I reckon.
No.
Weird. You see in a mood for that one.
Yeah. I got that.
Weird.
Just on 5.
Yeah, what a weird fight. It's almost like he's been spawning or something, eh?
He might have already been caught today. Oh yeah, there he is. It broke. Oh, it's rooted. Bugger. Oh well, we got it. Yeah, let's not break one.
Just right there. I've got my my
It's because it's a crappy sage.
I got my.
There was. Ah, nice. I forgot. But I've got it. It's recording now. That was a cool take.
Yeah, this is what they do. They're not fighting on side. These ones are fight.
They're quite skinny and small. I might just beat Chip Carey. The old Loomis is holding up well.
Yeah, I'm up the stage. He's not getting it out of the water.
Yeah. Here we go. No. Whoa!
That's why you see their cheeks a little bit lighter when they.
Alright, what's he weigh? Holy crap, 4 3/4. What? Oh yeah. Woohoo! Oh, hey!
How they cruise around like that, just lower.
That's awesome. Hey, nom that one. I'll have that. Nom.
Fins out, hit them with the net.
Yeah, take that.
He spat the fly just then. 4.25.
Look at this, isn't it? Wee small fish. It is, look, see it spins off. He's just not fighting. That was an awesome take.